And so finally, Raees has hit theatres. Hello and a very warm welcome to Bollywood Begum. Yes, Begum managed to catch the first show of Raees. This Shah Rukh Khan Nawazuddin Siddiqui starrer. So am I going to give it a thumbs down or a thumbs up? No, I don't want brickbats from all you SRK fans out there. So I will genuinely give it a thumbs up. Also because it is a commercial entertainer. There is a long weekend ahead and this movie will be Paisa Vasooli. So go catch it. But not just because of Shah Rukh Khan. This movie deserves a thumbs up also because of Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Yes, it is the story of an underdog, Raees Alam, who is a bootlegger. As you see, Raees, the character of Raees, grow up as this poor boy into a criminal. And somewhere you understand why he becomes that criminal, because he's poor, there's poverty, and instead of studying, he's actually smuggling alcohol in his school bag. But there, as he grows up into this criminal, there is humanizing of a criminal in the script. And had it not been for Nawazuddin Siddiqui's character, that of ACP Majmudar, I would have been disappointed. It is the climax which delivers poetic justice, and that is where the movie actually makes a comment that a criminal will meet the fate of a criminal. Apart from that, Shah Rukh's character, as we all had seen in the trailer, it is that of an anti-hero, as he was unveiled in this new avatar of, wearing Bhai avatar, of wearing Pathani with surma in his eyes, those golden spectacles. There's a lot of drama, and it's truly Bollywood style every time he makes an entry. The crowd in the movie hall I was in actually went into a tizzy. There was a lot of hooting. So you expect that kind of hysteria from Shah Rukh's character. The dark horse is actually Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He does not have all that Bollywood drama to his character. He leaves an impact with his wry, one-liner, witty dialogues. He's the guy who adds zing to the script. Mohammad Zishan Ayub is another another actor who plays Shah Rukh's bestie in the movie, Raees Alam's best friend. So this is one character you should also watch out for. He's entertained the audience. Mahira Khan, what a waste of a talented Pakistani actor who's come all the way to Bollywood. I wish her character was actually more meaty, especially if it was meant to soften the baddie that is Raees Alam. It doesn't really leave an impact. The music was actually quite boring. Ram Sampath's music could have been better. The actual moments of boredom happened during all the songs. That's when I felt bored. And I wish Sunny Leone's item was actually as... I wish it was more sensuous and that it managed to generate the same amount of steam as the hysteria it generated before the movie released. Rahul Dholakia's direction is good. He knows Gujarat of the 70s that he's recreated, considering he had shown Gujarat earlier in Parzania also. The movie is a throwback to the 70s, where we would see Amitabh Bachchan playing this angry young man, and that same kind of fury you see in Shah Rukh Khan towards the establishment, towards the corrupt politicians. So go watch this movie, not just for Shah Rukh Khan but for Nawazuddin too. Here's a bye-bye from me. I'll be back with some more news and reviews. Till then, like, dislike, subscribe, but do feel free to actually share your views. Bye-bye for now.